The topic of this video is Enterprise IPTV technology, a multicast switch built into buildings such as corporate buildings, schools, university campuses, gymnasiums, residences, shopping malls, or hotels. The installation that will work on the local network is called Corporate IPTV System, Satellite Channel Input, IP Output, Gateway Device that converts satellite broadcasts to IP format called IP Gateway is a system consisting of set-top box devices at the endpoints. The switch system of the local network of the corporate building should be a smart switch with IGMP feature and should be configured as a point-to-multipoint distribution system called multicast. Promotion, information, PowerPoint presentations, special broadcasts of digital platforms, broadcasting in code, which you create on your computer in the institution, your corporate training, product promotion, and presentation content played via DVD or Blu-ray. With the HDMI input IP output encoder device, you can watch it on your hotel televisions together with television channels. With this system, any event such as a seminar, course, promotional meeting held in one of the common use halls or meeting rooms of the organization, it is also possible to broadcast it live and transmit it over the internet to corporate websites, social media accounts, or recipients you specify. You can monitor the locations you deem necessary in the camera security monitoring systems in your organization at the receiver points you specify together with the IPTV installation with the same system, with a small set-top box to be placed behind the existing television receiving devices in the buildings. It can be used in the installation of television devices in your buildings in your company, institution, hotel, university, campus, and similar mass living areas without brand and model dependence. Without the need for high-priced TV receivers such as hotel TV. With multicast reception function, you can also save on the cost of a TV receiver by choosing a TV device with only a monitor feature. A corporate IPTV system over the local network is more efficient than a traditional coaxial cable television channel network, allows much more data to flow over the distribution network. The limited possibilities of the coaxial cable network allow you to transmit more data than you can achieve with conventional TV broadcast distribution devices due to bandwidth limitations. You can access a large number of HDTV channels, 4K broadcasts, institutional education presentation videos, and similar, as well as access to many video and audio content. To watch videos with this and similar content, you can subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications.